Hi, I'm Catt Johnson with Neighborhood Experts, and today we're in Olympic Sunset West. This home has been lovingly cared for by its original owners. Come take a look. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and is just over 1,800 square feet. Stepping inside, you'll find a welcoming entry with a coat closet and conveniently located powder room. Warm laminate and tile flooring extend throughout the main level. The formal living room is bright thanks to a large front window, and the gas fireplace gives the room a comfortable focal point. Just beyond is the formal dining room. It's framed by a window that brings in more natural light and a simple chandelier overhead, creating a dedicated space for holidays, birthdays, or dinner with friends. The kitchen has a timeless look with cream-colored cabinetry, black granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a built-in microwave that keeps countertops clear. Bar seating at the island is perfect for a quick breakfast or catching up over coffee, while the adjacent dining area is great for everyday meals. From here, you'll also have a clear view into the family room, so you're never cut off with what's happening while you're in the kitchen. Just a few steps down, the family room offers a warm and comfortable place to unwind. A built-in wet bar makes this a great space for entertaining. Upstairs, the primary suite overlooks the backyard, offering a peaceful view to start and end your day. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom complete the upper level, providing comfortable space for guests, home office, or hobbies. Outside, you'll quickly appreciate the care that's gone into this property over the years. The sloped backyard has been thoughtfully terraced into 2 usable levels, creating spaces to relax, entertain, and enjoy the outdoors. The newly refinished deck overlooks mature landscaping, a peaceful water feature, and a private hot tub, creating a backyard that feels quiet, secluded, and incredibly inviting. As wonderful as this home is, the neighborhood is just as special. Olympic Sunset West is known for its strong sense of community. Neighbors wave as they pass, and it's easy to feel at home here, especially with a neighborhood flower stand, tennis courts, and little free library. You're just minutes away from Target and the Harbor Hill Shopping Center, which makes everyday convenience close at hand. I truly believe neighborhoods are shaped by the people who live in them, and homes like this have helped make Olympic Sunset West the welcoming community it is today. Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to schedule a tour, give me a call.